Georgia Jefferson County judge frees Chris Jones from home incarceration while the former U of L basketball player waits to learn if he will be indicted for rape. The same pertains to his co-defendants. WLKY's Annalisa Gale spoke to the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office about the decision. Annalisa?
Vicki, the condition is that the men were released on unsecured bonds. Chris Jones and his co-defendant Tyvon Walker were released on a $20,000 unsecured bond, while their other co-defendant Jalen Tilford was released on a $25,000 unsecured bond.
And we're still meeting with witnesses, victims, and things. So again, that's part of our screening process. All that will be presented to the grand jury, and of course they ultimately make the decision.
While prosecutors continue to put together their case against Chris Jones and his co-defendants, the men will no longer be monitored on home incarceration. The investigation involving Jones began in February when two women accused him of rape. Tyvon Walker and Jalen Tilford are also accused of raping one of the women. Attorneys for all three men requested their release on Monday, which prosecutors agreed to. Brian Butler is representing Tyvon Walker.
Is a procedural motion based upon the fact that Kentucky state law says 60 days pass and someone is in custody, they must be released, and we anticipate that this grand jury could be lengthy.
The men have been on home incarceration since late February.
The defendants have been compliant with their bond status thus far, and the fact that this case is very complicated, we are continuing to investigate it and review it. We didn't have any objection to the change in bond.
Reverend Clay Calloway with the West Louisville Ministers Coalition is anxiously awaiting the grand jury's decision. He sat in on Jones's last hearing.
I just pray that justice will be served, that this man's reputation is not unduly tarnished until that final judgment has been rendered.
Vicki, Jones and Tilford's attorneys were not available to comment. Jones' attorneys are hoping video from the Cardinaltown apartment will clear their client. We also know that police confiscated a piece of mattress, marijuana, and urine DNA sample from that apartment. Live in downtown Louisville, I'm Annalisa Gale, WLKY News.
Thanks, Annalisa. The Commonwealth's Attorney's Office expects for the cases to be heard by the grand jury before the end of the month. Chris Jones is no longer enrolled at U of L. Jones and his two co-defendants waived their right to a probable